Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Yeah, will XRP break out over the next few sessions? That's the main question. We're going to take a look at the key levels that will help us determine that. Okay, so support and resistance. These are the levels that can be watched. We'll take a look at the current trend. I want to start here zoomed out on the 1 hour time frame. And for those of you who have missed previous videos, let me talk a little bit about context first. First of all, the idea is that after the strong rally in November, when the price formed various triangles here, broke out above the 2021 high, which was here the $1.96 level. So after that November rally, the price formed the top in December, early December, around $2.90. And then from there, a corrective sideways structure started to develop. And again, this is only a sideways structure at the moment. It's really just a consolidation pattern, of course, with a lot of volatility. So you see that this sideways range is quite large. You could say the inner range, this is a smaller range here on the larger time frame. We have a larger range. Here on the smaller time frame, you could say the lower boundary is around $1.95. That's the previous swing low here from early December, mid-December, end of December. And then we found support early February around $1.95. Yes, we broke briefly below that level, but it was not a sustained break. So actually, the buyers turned up at that level. So that's for me a key level. That's also not only is it the range boundary really, it's also a Fibonacci support, $1.96 of the rally that happened between the 3rd of February low and the 4th of February high, when the price topped locally around $2.80. Yeah, but we are only in a range. So you see no decisive price action here. We had a pullback, a rally, pullback. So it's just sideways. But that, again, that is a three-wave move. So I don't know if that reminds you of something, but let me show you a pattern here. Move down, move up, move down for a lower low. What is that? So let's take a look at that. So I've just opened this from our Discord server. This is where we have a lot of educational material for Elliott Wave. If you're interested in checking it out, you can join our gold membership. The link is in the description. Or you can do it on our website, mcoglobal.com. But you can see here that we're dealing possibly with an expanded flat correction. So that was the rally that moved up into the December high. First correction, overshooting B wave, and then a C wave down. So that's what we saw. That is the 3rd of February low, and there's a chance for us to recover from there. So let's go back to the live chart. And again, reminder, first leg down, overshooting wave, correction down, lower low, and then the recovery. And this could be the start of something new. Okay, so that's why I consider the wave 4 might have bottomed there, and we're now moving up in a 5th wave. Okay. And that can take us to round about, yeah, $5, $6. We talked about that in yesterday's video. But here, I just want to show you the shorter time frame. Now, it's not as easy as that, because this could obviously just turn into a larger correction. What is always possible is that this here is only the A wave of a larger correction. If it finishes again after 3 waves, it's a B wave, and then could just extend the correction. All it would mean likely is just an extension of the sideways move. XRP likes to do this, so I try to prepare everybody for that, just mentally. Looking at the very short term then, yep, we had a first rally. I label this wave 1, this top on the 4th of February. However, this is not an impulsive move up, so it's only corrective, which means we have to consider that the price potentially forms only this blue B wave, okay? So that we're not breaking out yet, that instead just an extended correction, and the wave 4, which we assume might have bottomed here on the 3rd of February, actually never finished, right? So this could be an A wave, moving up in a B wave, then a C wave down later. To, however, track potential bullish scenarios, short term, we added the support area already after the 4th of February high to the chart. How do we calculate that? Well, we take our Fibonacci retracement tool here from Tradingview. We measure the length, the distance of that rally, and we get standard Fibonacci levels that we know apply if this is a corrective pullback of this wave degree and so on. And support is between $1.96 and $2.35. So there are 4 levels to watch. The price reacted already to the upper section, and we're already rallying. But is this already a breakout? Certainly possible. I mean, whenever these boxes are reached, the price can turn around. What I want to highlight, though, is the potential for another dip into support, simply because the rally from that low looks corrective. So this sideways move looks a bit like an internal B wave as a triangle. That means this could be a C wave up. Surely we might get one more high here. But consider that just above this breakout point at 279, 280, there's another micro resistance area, at least something to watch. So I am looking for higher prices, but I would consider that the price can easily at this stage test the support area once more. Well, that would be another opportunity. I'm just saying the price could test it again in a wider wave 2 or B wave before we go higher. Yeah, any direct breakout would shift the focus to the $2.96 to $3.03 area, and above that level $3.30, $3.40, which is the all-time high, which we take a look at now on the larger time frame. So let's go to the XRP long-term chart. By the way, as a member on our Discord server, you get access to all these live charts, so you see when anything changes and so on. Again, you'll find the link in the description. So here, you can see that the next upside targets, should we really break out above the previous high, the next upside targets are located at $4.19, $5, which is an important one, the 100% extension, and then $6.60. In addition to that, there is a larger support area on the daily chart all the way down to 120. So I shared with you before that this here could just be seen as a large sideways range, which we could spend some time in. Again, no guarantee we do, but it is a range, and nothing will really change on this chart from a long-term chart point of view, as long as we're holding within the range. You could say from a bigger picture point of view, this would just be noise. So yeah, that's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in additional content now that the markets are a bit boring, check out our main channel, MCO Global. Here you can find tutorials, you can find long-term analysis, infos about the NASDAQ, the DXY, how geopolitical developments, events impact crypto, and the more traditional markets. Yesterday, I uploaded, or actually today, I uploaded a video about a potential super cycle or crash for Bitcoin. I share with you the long-term view, some on-chain indicators. So it's completely different content. So check it out. It's our main channel from now on. It's quite new still, but next milestone is 10,000 subscribers. So yeah, there's typically a video each day. So check it out if you're interested. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.